The question in right triangle ABC, right angled at C, M is the midpoint of hypotenuse AB and DM equal to CM, show that triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD and angle DPC is right angle. In our diagram, we have M midpoint of AB, so this is equal to this, and DM is equal to CM. We have to prove that triangle AMC, that is this triangle over here, is congruent to this triangle over here. So we will have these two angles, vertically opposite angles, and so quickly we will write our solution. Statement number 1. In triangle AMC and triangle BMD, the first statement we will write is M midpoint of DC, so we will say that AM is equal to BM, which is given. Statement number 2, angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. Statement number 3, CM is equal to DM, which is given. Statement number 4, therefore triangle AMC is congruent to triangle BMD, and this will be from statement 1, 2 and 3, and it will be side angle side. So SAS test for congruency, and we put this in a box which we have proved, and that's our first proof. Statement number 5, because these two triangles are congruent, therefore we will have angle this, which is opposite this double line, will be equal to opposite this double line, this angle, which we'll call as X, and this one we'll call as X. So angle ACM is equal to BDM, angle BDM, that is equal to X, and this will be from statement 4, and corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Next we will say that this angle over here and this angle over here, they are alternate angles. Look at this. They are angles in a Z, and therefore these two lines which are containing these two angles, these two AC and DB, they are parallel to each other because DC is the transversal. So we will say therefore AC parallel to DB, and this will be from statement 5, since alternate angles are equal and we have DC transversal. Statement number 7, now if AC and DB, they are parallel to each other, we are told that this angle over here, this is 90 degrees. So this one and this one, these two angles are going to be co-interior angles and they are going to be supplementary. So we will say statement number 7, therefore angle DBC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees, and this is because co-interior angles are supplementary. And statement 6, and then the 8th one, we know that angle DBC is to be found out and ACB is 90 degrees, and that's equal to 180 degrees, and this is because angle ACB equal to 90 degrees is given. Then statement number 9, therefore angle DBC equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. And statement number 10, Therefore, angle DBC is a right angle, and this will be from statement 9 and proved the second part. So I hope you have understood how to solve this question. All the best for your examinations. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.